Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can blur background of your video in Capcut so easily. For example, you're just going to select your video you like to edit. I'm going to import, but I'm going to select photo, decide to the track, and go to effect, select lens, just scroll down until you find the blur effect. Just download it and add to the track and change for the duration in the same line with the video. Right after done, you are just going to select the clips, right click and create component clip. So import the you can add the same image of video and make it as an overlay, put on top, and go to cutout or remove the background. So you can select the auto cutout to remove the background automatically. So that's it. You can see the background is blur. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for